Hey everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with Arden. Today I am very excited during making this video. Why? Because today I am going to tell you about one of the most important, interesting and prominent student ambassador program, that is OnePlus Student Ambassador Program, and its application for 2021 has have opened, so you can apply for it, right? So I am going to tell you about everything, why to join this program, and what are their requirements and what kind of positions they have. Okay, so first thing which came into your mind, like what actually this program is. So OnePlus Student Ambassador Program is a campus connect program. So basically here you will build a kind of community that can raise awareness about OnePlus and its product. Here you will learn the marketing and a leadership skill, right? एंड इस प्रोग्राम में तीन टाइप के सब प्रोग्राम्स हैं और लाइक फंक्शंस है. सो आप उसमें से कुछ एक चॉइस कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो व्हाई यू जस्ट नीड टू व्हाई यू नीड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो बेसिकली दैट इज अ फोर prominent reason you can't avoid, right? First is a campus marketing experience. So basically you will here what you will do, you will deploy the marketing campaign and assist in planning that can raise awareness about OnePlus. And yeah, let me tell you why these student ambassador programs are important. Because OnePlus is a very good company, like very great company, and to be a part of it as a student is just like a dream come true, right? So you will learn the leadership skill, all mentor by OnePlus. So that is the four prominent reason why you should apply for it. So first is a campus market experience. You will learn those marketing skill in your campus itself and be a part of OnePlus exclusive team. Get front row seat to the inner working of a core OnePlus team, how the OnePlus functions, how its teamwork. You will get to know about it. And yeah, most prominently and most important, exciting rewards. You will get monthly stipend. If you are a lucky enough, like if you are a lucky student ambassador program or have done a huge work for them, you will get a chance to win OnePlus devices. It may be OnePlus phone or anything. You will get membership only. Okay? And OnePlus merchandise. And at the same time, if your luck is a good, like if you have a good luck, you will get a chance to visit the OnePlus office campus tour, all sponsored by OnePlus. So that's very exciting, right? So and at the last, the most important thing, all round learning experience, right? So you will get real time and a real life experience across the field of social media marketing, how to do branding, and how to be an innovative kind of person, right? And this can be a three most reason why you should join, right? You should join if you are curious about making positive impact through innovation or innovative technology. So if you are a technology hunter, you can apply for it, right? You can give your shot. And if you are excited to join the rank of one of the most shout after fraternities and obsessed with the OnePlus life, that's the most important. If they are demanding, if the program is from OnePlus, and so you must be obsessed with their life. And yeah, that is the three things what you will do, right? So first let's start with the content creator. So if you're a content creator, so you can give it a try, right? So basically what you will do, you need to create content which can connect with the student community and can raise awareness about the OnePlus and its devices. And you should understand and study the social media and just identify what are the needs of the people and can report them. Okay? And be involved in creative collaboration for brand campaigns. So this type of student ambassador program are basically used to raise awareness about that product only, right? Whether it is a Google campus, Google developer student club, GitHub campus expert, Microsoft student ambassador program, anything, right? Your major work is to raise awareness about that program, and the most important thing, you will learn enough leadership skill, marketing skill from those campus experts program. And yeah, our second position is campuspreneurs. So sounds like entrepreneur, right? So okay, so what you need to do in this field, you need to design and execute the hyper local campus marketing campaign across your network, right? So you need to design and execute a kind of marketing thing around your campus. And yeah, be innovative and come up with idea to create unique experience for a OnePlus student community. So, and the last one, you need to identify and foster the local term student associated with OnePlus. And our last position is tech innovator. So if you love technology, you can give it a try. So that's the three things which you will going to do in this tech innovator field. So you need to bring up the forward ways to innovate and take consume technology to the next level. So आप कुछ ऐसा इनोवेटिव आइडिया लेके आना चाहिए ताकि यू कैन कंज्यूम टेक्नोलॉजी सो दैट यू कैन रेज अवेयरनेस अबाउट OnePlus and its product. And yeah, you need to represent the voice of local or the student tech community. So you can see that you can learn a leadership skills as well. And last, the initiate research on tech talent across student groups, right? So okay, and that is the three position, that is the content creator, campuspreneurs and tech innovator. You can choose any one, right? Okay, let's head toward how to register for this program. So just click on this button, register now. Okay, so that's a form. What aspects or what things you need to cover: your name, your age, your mobile number, your email, your college, your course and year, and Instagram link. As this program is only for like raise awareness about that program, raise awareness about OnePlus and its products, so you need to provide those social media links. And yeah, here comes the main question: why you want to apply and which team do you want to join? So as I have told you, there are three teams, right? And yeah, you need to give a reason why you need to choose this team and what are a vision for student ambassador program, and tell us about an instance where you can had an impact for an innovative idea. So you can just take your time. Application has opened just now before some time, so take your time and apply when you are free or when you are when you're confident you can get selected. And yeah, this program is highly competitiveness. So basically nearly 15 to 20,000 students apply every year and they need to choose below 100 for that. So you can predict the competitiveness of this program from that numbers only. So you can just take your time, read this form and apply when you are highly confident. Like if you don't want to miss this chance, just apply for it and take your time. So I think that's sufficient for today's video. Let me meet to you in a next video. So thank you, tata, bye bye.